Hello and welcome back, beautiful people, into another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can use TubeBuddy and VidIQ extension for YouTube. This extension are specifically made for YouTube. If I go to my YouTube channel, you can see there are many options in here. After I install this two extension, we need to sign in, but this one VidIQ already logging, because before I already used this extension, that's why it's already logging in my browser. First, we're going to discuss how you can easily use this extension. Now you can see there are view option is enabled. After I add VidIQ, it shows me how many views I get in 48 hours and 60 minutes. There are so many options in here. If I click on here, daily ideas, competitors, trends, alerts, most view, channel audit, keyword inspector, achievement, VidIQ Academy. Now I'm going to sign in my TubeBuddy account. If you are logging in your YouTube channel, then you can sign in YouTube from here. If you are not logging with your Google account, you cannot sign in with TubeBuddy. So I'm going to select this one and click on continue. So now you can see I'm logging in my VidIQ account. The right side, I can see this icon from here. You can see there are many options. You can go this option and explore this, so you can easily understand how to use this extension for your YouTube. In the right section, you see there are many options enabled. In the past, we cannot see this option. This is the top tag for this item: Adobe Photoshop, Photoshop for beginner, and this is the top channel in this subject. So now if I go to someone's video and I'm waiting for some time, you can see this is the whole story of this channel. They have 360 videos, and this is the current subscriber and the current views. This is a TubeBuddy extension. After this extension is installed in your browser, you can see this whole story in easy way. How many comments they get and likes, everything you can see. And the most important things from here, you can easily see their tags in the right side, and you can easily copy this tag, and you can easily use this tags in your video. If I click on this channel analytics, you can see we can easily see the channel analytics from here. You can also compare your views versus their views. So this is very helpful extension for a new YouTuber. You can easily SEO your video and rank up your video. In later, I'm going to discuss more about this, how you can SEO your video in YouTube. If I go to overview from here, it shows me the same thing, subs and views. In views, you can see these are 3.8 million total views, and engagement is 2.1%. This method you can use for your competitor. You can easily know what is their engagement and views and more and more. If I go to back, and now I'm enable this inline keyword and click on this, and now you can see the same result without see their videos. Now if I enable this, enable inline keyword, you can see this time I don't need to go their video and see their tag from their video. I can easily see their tag from here, and I can easily copy their tag from here. So all the keyword is enabled. You can easily see the keyword from here. If I click on this, you can see my achievement, and I'm click on this icon, three icon. And I'm going to the competitors. You can see no competitors found. You can also search your competitor from here. You need to add YouTube channel, to add competitor channel to check competitor. Go to most views and keyword inspector. I'm going to search keyword from here. So this is the most used keyword Photoshop tutorial. The search volume is this, millions of search volume, and competitor is very high. Overall score is 62. In this way you can inspect your keyword. So you can see I need to re-logging in my account. So in this way you can find your daily ideas, and you can learn something new. So I'm going to close this, and I'm click on trend alerts. And we click on tech tutorial. This is the trend video in my keyword. So if you enter your keyword in trend alert, this keyword can show you the trend video. So I'm going to change this keyword one more time. What it will happen. Now this time I search Photoshop tutorial, and you can see the trending video in this keyword. So in this way you can easily know the trending thing in your keyword. So guys, I hope you guys learned something new for this video. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel for more videos. And I'm going to come with new video so you can easily understand YouTube and you know how to earn success on YouTube.